Life is a choice, and we all make choices in life. We sometimes make choices depending on the circumstances around us. But the choices you make, whether good or bad, will determine your future. I also made a choice. I can't tell whether the choice I made is right or wrong, but I made it anyways. Today I want us to do everything in time and make sure that you're going to do it perfectly. My name is Edgar. Just look at myself and look at yourself. Are you not tired of living this poor, like a miserable life? Don't you want to drive a very nice, expensive car? As in, don't you admire those people who have like expensive houses, expensive cars, like living a luxurious life?